Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video, and in this particular video I'm going to make a comparison between the iPhone 12 mini with the iPhone SE 2020. So it is obvious that by looking at the images you will notice that the iPhone 12 mini is coming with a notch on the top center of the device, and the bezels around the edges are pretty much slim, whereas the iPhone SE 2020 is coming with a fairly large bezels on the top and bottom of the device, and it has an IPS LCD panel of 4.7 inches, whereas the iPhone 12 mini is coming with a 5.4 inch of OLED display. So clearly, if you want a modern design in your device, then you should go towards the iPhone 12 mini because it has a similar design just we have seen in the iPhone 11 and upcoming iPhone 12 devices. Moving on towards the back side, we have a dual camera setup in the iPhone 12 mini, which is coming with a 12 megapixel of a main camera sensor and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and the camera bump is going to be pretty much similar with the iPhone 11 and the upcoming iPhone 12 series, whereas the iPhone SE 2020 is coming with a single camera setup on the back side with a 12 megapixel of a main camera sensor. No matter what software optimization you got in your device, a single camera system does not give you a better quality images as compared to iPhone 12 mini, which has a dual camera setup with an ultra wide support. Anyhow, internally both the devices are pretty much different with each other, and the iPhone 12 mini is going to be coming with the latest Apple A14 chipset inside, and that chipset is based on 5nm architecture, whereas the iPhone SE 2020 is going to be coming with an Apple A13 Bionic chipset, which is based on 7nm architecture, and it is only going to be supported by 4G LTE modem, whereas the iPhone 12 mini is going to be supported by 5G. According to the Geekbench, the A14 Bionic chipset is going to be 40% faster than the A13, which means that we will get a better performance in the iPhone 12 mini instead of the iPhone SE. With that being said, the iPhone 12 mini is coming with the 4 gigs of RAM inside, and 3 gigs of RAM is going to be present inside the iPhone SE 2020. With that being said, the 5nm architecture is also going to be helping the device in order to make the device even slimmer than the iPhone SE 2020. And other details which has been surfaced online regarding the iPhone 12 mini is going to be the battery capacity. While the iPhone 12 mini is coming with a 2227 milliamp of a battery capacity inside, instead of iPhone SE, which has been coming with a 1821 milliamp of a battery capacity. So we see a significant increase in the battery capacity instead of iPhone SE. What's more, the OLED display of the iPhone 12 mini will be more efficient than the LCD found on the SE 2020, and the new A14 chipset power efficiency should also contribute to better battery life result from the iPhone 12 mini. So lastly is going to be the prices of both the devices. While the iPhone 12 mini leaked price is going to be a $699 for a base variant of the device, and the iPhone SE is going to be coming with a $400 of a price tag. So at $400 you will get a cheapest A13 Bionic option out there, and you can also have an amazingly fast phone for a great price. Really, the iPhone 12 mini is expected to cost around $700 at the launch, which is substantially more expensive. And if you like to compact phones and want a non-compromise Apple device, though with a modern design, a better display, a bigger battery, and a faster chipset out there, the iPhone 12 mini is the one to get. So guys, which device you will buy? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.